Welcome to our channel, where we bring you detailed and honest reviews to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Before we dive into the review of the KEDIERS PC case ATX P4, just a quick reminder that the link to buy this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. So be sure to check it out. The KEDIERS P4 mid-tower PC case is designed with gamers and PC builders in mind, offering a perfect blend of aesthetics, cooling performance, and expandability. One of its standout features is the pre-installed cooling system, which includes four 120mm fans, 3 intake fans at the front, and 1 exhaust fan at the rear. This setup ensures excellent airflow right out of the box, keeping your components cool during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Visually, the case is striking thanks to its panoramic design with a 270 degrees wide-angle view. The fully tempered glass front and side panels provide a crystal-clear look at your internal hardware, enhanced by diamond-cut angles that add a unique and elegant touch. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to showcase their build with style. In terms of connectivity, the case is well-equipped with a high-speed I/O panel featuring USB 3.0, a Type-C port, USB 2.0, HD audio jacks, and convenient power and reset buttons. The inclusion of a Type-C port is particularly useful for modern peripherals and fast data transfers, making this case future-proof for various devices. Expandability is another strong point. The P4 supports a wide range of motherboard sizes including ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX. It can accommodate large GPUs up to 440mm, CPU coolers up to 180mm in height, and power supplies up to 220mm. Additionally, it supports up to 9 120mm fans and 2 simultaneous radiators, making it highly versatile for advanced cooling setups. Pros: pre-installed 4-fan cooling system for immediate airflow, stunning 270 degrees tempered glass panels with diamond-cut edges, high-speed Type-C and USB 3.0 ports on the front panel, supports large GPUs, multiple radiators, and various motherboard sizes. Spacious interior with good cable management options. Cons: the tempered glass panels require careful handling to avoid fingerprints and smudges. No included RGB lighting, so you'll need to add your own if desired. The case is relatively large, which might not fit smaller desk setups overall. The KEDIERS PC case ATX P4 offers a compelling package for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for a stylish, well-cooled, and expandable mid-tower case. Don't forget, the link to purchase this case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out before you make your decision. Thank you for reading this review. Remember, the discounted purchase link is fixed in the first comment, so be sure to grab this great deal while it lasts.